Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mrs. Zarina Aslam, Subject Specialist of Pakistan Studies at Divisional Public School and Inter College, Sahiwal. I welcome you all in today's online class. Dear students, hope you will be fine. Let's start our today's lesson. Chapter number 1, Physical State of Earth. Today, we will study about impact of volcanism, or effects of volcanism. Learning objectives of today's lesson. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to define volcanism, explain the impact, effects of volcanism with the help of different examples, what is volcanism? You can see over here about volcanism. The eruption of a hot semi-solid matter, magma, from the surface of Earth is known as volcanism. You can see over here. Volcanism. During this process, underground volcanic magma comes out on the surface of Earth in the form of lava. You can see over here, lava is coming over here on the surface of the Earth. In this process, different rocky materials, gases are involved. Usually volcanism like this occur along the cracks of earth plates. You can see over here the cracks on the earth surface. Usually volcanism occurs along the cracks of earth plates because volcanoes are mostly found in cracks or the boundaries of the plate of earth. You can see over here about the different cracks are seen here. About 70% volcanoes of the world are found on the bed of oceans. Such volcanoes remain hidden due to their presence in sea because we can't see over here. They are present under the surface of the water. Volcanoes in the sea. Other islands are top of volcanoes on the seabed. You can see over here. This volcano is on the seabed. When a volcano erupts, it means when lava comes out on the surface of the earth. Hot lava pours out and piles up around it. Slowly, the volcano grows bigger. Now we are going to discuss about the impact or effects of volcanism. Volcanoes are formed due to volcanism. These volcanoes keep on growing by the deposition of lava layers. You can see about lava layers and repeated volcanism. Such features are found on edges of Earth's plates. The matter, gases and dust, etc., which come out from volcanoes. You can see over here. The matters, gases and dust, etc., which come out from volcanoes cause environmental pollution. The principal components of volcanic gases are water vapor, carbon dioxide, sulfur, either as sulfur dioxide, high temperature volcanic gases, low temperature volcanic gases, argon, helium, neon, methane, carbon monoxide, and hydrogen. Volcanic pollution affects human and plant lives. Health hazards can range from minor to life-threatening. Exposure of acid gases such as sulfur dioxide, hydrogen can damage eyes, membrane, along with respiratory system, and under extreme conditions can lead to health problems. This can also lead to death. Volcanic gases can also severely damage vegetation also. You can see over here about the vegetation. Sometimes clouds of different gases are released rapidly during volcanism. Gases given off by active volcanoes. These include gases trapped in cavities in volcanic rocks, dissolved or dissociated gases in magma and lava, or gases emanating from lava from volcanic vents. Volcanic gases can also be emitted through groundwater heated by volcanic. Due to high temperature, a part of volcano burst like this. With thunder, and gases are released along with the other matter. West Indies. We are going to discuss about the example of West Indies. Mount Pelée. What happened over here in 1902 in West Indies at Mount Pelée? In 1902, similar incident occurred in West Indies when Mount Pelée erupted, caused great loss of lives. Now it's the time for your assessment. Now it's the time to think about your answers. Choose the correct option. Number 1. The eruption of a hot semi-solid matter, magma, from the surface of Earth is known as. 4 options are given. You have to choose only one. A. Earthquake. B. Volcanism. C. Moon. D. Fault. Find out the correct answer. Correct answer is volcanism. Number 2. 70% of the volcanoes of the world are found on A. Bed of oceans. B. Bed of volcano. C. Earth. D. Underground. Which is the correct answer? A. Bed of oceans. It shows that 70% of the volcanoes are found on the bed of oceans. 3. The matter, gases, and dust, etc., which come out from volcanoes cause environmental: A. Earthquake, B. Fault, C. Floods, D. Pollution. So, correct answer is pollution. Number 4. When was Mount Pelluce erupted, which caused great loss of lives? A. 1901, B. 1903, C. 1902, D. 1904. So correct answer is 1902. Number 5. Due to high temperature, a part of volcano bursts with A. Thunder, B. Fault, C. Ocean, D. Sea. Correct answer is thunder. Now it's a time for your assignment, which you will do at home. Chapter number 1, Physical State of the Earth. Topic, Impact or Effects of Volcanism. Read the book page 10-11. Long question. Analyze volcanism and its impact or effects. You will note down on your notebook. Thank you for this. Allah Hafiz. May Allah bless you and showers His countless blessings on you. May Allah keep you both safe and sound in all respects.